Imagine a world under constant threat from the skies above, where massive rocks, remnants of time and space, hold the power to reshape life as we know it. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality of our universe. We're talking about asteroids, colossal fragments left over from the birth of our solar system. Born from the same cosmic dust that formed the planets, these celestial bodies carry within them the story of our origins. Asteroids, drifting silently through the void of space, pose a potential threat to our Earth. While most are benign, some have the potential to unleash unimaginable destruction. We've seen it happen before, and it will undoubtedly happen again. These celestial wanderers have been a part of Earth's story since its inception. They've helped shape our world, sometimes with a gentle touch, sometimes with a cataclysmic impact. From the dawn of our planet, these silent threats have played a crucial role in shaping our world. To understand the role of asteroids, we must journey back to the very beginning, to the birth of Earth itself. Our tale starts around 4.5 billion years ago, in a time when the universe was still in its infancy. Our planet, as we know it, was nothing more than a swirling mass of dust and gas floating aimlessly in the cosmic void. Over time, this dust and gas began to clump together, forming a spinning disk of matter. The center of this disk collapsed under its own gravity, igniting the fires of the sun. The remaining material, caught in the sun's gravitational pull, began to coalesce into solid bodies. These were the building blocks of our solar system, the planets, and among them, our Earth was born. But the birth of Earth was not a peaceful event, far from it. This was a time of great turmoil, known as the heavy bombardment period. For hundreds of millions of years, our young planet was pummeled relentlessly by asteroids. These cosmic missiles, some as large as cities, rained down on Earth in a fiery storm, causing apocalyptic destruction with each impact. Yet, it was from this chaos that our world began to take shape. These asteroid impacts played a crucial role in Earth's development. They delivered key ingredients for life, such as water and organic molecules. They shaped the Earth's crust, creating our oceans and continents. They even caused massive shifts in our planet's climate, paving the way for the emergence of life. The heavy bombardment period was undoubtedly a time of chaos and destruction, but it was also a time of creation and transformation. It was the crucible in which our world was forged, a fiery baptism that marked the start of Earth's journey. This era of chaos and destruction laid the foundation for the world we know today. The rain of fire that once scarred our planet's surface has left indelible marks on its history, marks that we continue to uncover and explore as we seek to understand our place in the cosmos. Fast forward to 66 million years ago, when an asteroid strike changed the course of life on Earth forever. Imagine a routine day in the life of a Tyrannosaurus rex, strolling through the lush green forests of the Cretaceous period. Suddenly, the sky lights up, a blinding flash sears the heavens, and a monstrous fireball hurtles toward the Earth. This was no ordinary space rock. This was a city-sized asteroid, a celestial assassin, hurtling towards our planet at a speed of 20 kilometers per second. The impact was unimaginable, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The asteroid struck with such force that it carved out a crater more than 150 kilometers wide, now known as the Chicxulub crater, buried beneath Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The force of the impact vaporized the asteroid and a large part of the Earth's crust, sending a plume of debris and molten rock high into the atmosphere. The aftermath was just as devastating. The massive ejection of debris darkened the skies across the globe, blocking out the sun's warmth and light for months, possibly even years. This led to a dramatic drop in temperatures, a phenomenon we now refer to as an impact winter. Plant life wilted and died in this prolonged darkness, disrupting the food chain from its very base. Herbivores starved without their plant sustenance, and in turn, the carnivores starved without their prey. It was a domino effect, a chain reaction of death and extinction. The once thriving and diverse world of dinosaurs was reduced to a cold, dark, and lifeless planet. Despite their size and strength, the dinosaurs were helpless against this cosmic cataclysm. They, along with 3/4 of all life on Earth, were wiped out in this mass extinction event, marking the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene. In a flash of light and a wave of destruction, the reign of dinosaurs was brought to an abrupt end. This event serves as a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability to threats from outer space, and the potentially catastrophic consequences of an asteroid strike. While the dinosaur's demise is the most famous, it's far from the only time asteroids have left their mark on Earth. Let's journey together through time, not to the era of the dinosaurs, but to the rather recent past. Picture the year 1908, Siberia. A place known as Tunguska became the epicenter of the largest asteroid impact in recorded history. An asteroid, estimated to be about 120 feet in diameter, exploded in the atmosphere with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. The explosion flattened some 80 million trees in a remote forest, creating a blast area larger than any city on Earth. Now let's fast forward to the year 2013, Chelyabinsk, Russia. A super-bolide meteor, brighter than the sun, streaked across the morning sky and exploded in the atmosphere. The shockwave shattered windows, injuring over 1,000 people. The Chelyabinsk meteor, although smaller than the Tunguska asteroid, was a stark reminder of the potential damage even a small asteroid can inflict when it collides with our planet. Just imagine, these asteroids sneaked past our defenses, undetected until they made their dramatic entrance into our atmosphere. These events underscore the unpredictability of asteroids and their potential to wreak havoc. Despite our advancements in technology, we are still vulnerable to these wayward space rocks. These impacts, though catastrophic, are relatively small when compared to the colossal impacts of the past, such as the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. But they serve as a wake-up call, a reminder that we share our cosmic neighborhood with these unpredictable space rocks. While we can't prevent asteroids from hurtling towards Earth, we can strive to improve our detection methods to give ourselves the best chance of spotting these cosmic intruders before they arrive uninvited. These events serve as stark reminders of the power and unpredictability of asteroids. As we look to the future, we must ask ourselves, when will the next significant asteroid impact occur? While it may sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, the question is a legitimate one. Our cosmic neighborhood is bustling with activity, and amongst this celestial ballet, there are some players we need to keep a close eye on. One such celestial body is the asteroid known as Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos. This asteroid, which is over 1,000 feet in diameter, is expected to have a close encounter with Earth in the year 2029. While current calculations suggest that Apophis will not collide with our planet, the margin of error is quite slim. But Apophis is not the only asteroid that warrants our attention. Astronomers estimate that there are millions of asteroids in the solar system, many of which cross Earth's orbit. Statistically, the likelihood of a significant asteroid impact before the year 3000 AD is quite high. Of course, not all asteroids are a threat. Many are small enough to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere before they can cause any harm. But there are those, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, that are large enough to cause significant damage. Scientists are working tirelessly to track and catalog these space rocks. They use telescopes and radar systems to monitor the skies, identifying potential threats and calculating their trajectories. While we may not be able to prevent an asteroid impact, being prepared can certainly mitigate the damage. In an age where we have the technology to explore distant planets and peer into the heart of galaxies, it's easy to forget that dangers can lurk much closer to home. Asteroids, these silent threats from the skies, are a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the vast expanse of space, but they also exemplify the resilience of life on Earth, a resilience that we hope to carry into the future. The future may be uncertain, but one thing is clear. The silent threats from the skies above continue to loom over us. The story of asteroids and Earth is a tale as old as time itself, filled with destruction, rebirth, and the constant dance of cosmic forces. From the fiery rain that contributed to our planet's formation, to the cataclysmic event that marked the end of the age of dinosaurs, asteroids have played a pivotal role in Earth's history. In recent times, we've witnessed notable impacts leaving their marks on our world, echoing the power of these celestial bodies. Yet the dance continues. As we gaze into the future, we acknowledge the potential threats that loom in the depths of space. Scientists across the globe tirelessly work to predict, understand, and mitigate these future impacts. Their work is our beacon in the cosmic night, guiding us through the uncertainties of the future. As we continue our journey through space and time, we remain vigilant, ever watchful of the shadows cast by the silent threats from above.